5 ways to reduce energy consumption in your Spanish home.
Travel wonder, wonder, 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 travel wonder, wonder.
Nomads.
Do you live in Spain or planning to move here? And you're thinking about the energy consumption level or even to save costs? Energy prices in Spain have risen sharply in the recent years. And with the climate crisis in mind, reducing energy consumption is not just about saving money, it's about doing your part for the environment. Here are 5 practical ways to cut down on energy in your Spanish home. Yes. Number 1, optimize home insulation. Spanish weather can be extreme, from hot summers to chilly winters. In certain regions, poor insulation can make your home harder and more expensive to heat or cool. So seal the gaps around the windows, the doors, and within the weather stripping. Yes, use them curtains to keep out the summer heat and retain warmth in the winter. If possible, consider adding insulation to walls or ceiling for long-term saving. Yes, because the Spanish home, there's a way the Spanish home is being built, is tend to be more cooler in the winter. Yes, and sometimes it can be very, very hot in the summers. So insulations will actually help go a long way to help you save your energy consumption. Even small fixes can reduce energy up to 15% annually. And tip 2, number 2, use energy efficient appliances. Yeah. Outdated appliances are energy hogs. Look for products with A+ energy rating when replacing your home appliances. They may cost more upfront, but they can save you hundreds of euros over their lifespan. Switching to LED lights alone can reduce the lighting energy that you use up to 80%. And these bulbs can last much longer than traditional ones. Number 3, leverage renewable energy. Spain is one of the sunniest countries in Europe, making solar power a great option. Insulating solar panels can significantly cut down electricity costs, and energy excesses can be curtailed. You understand? If panels are not an option in where you are, consider enrolling in green energy programs offered by many utility companies. While solar panels require an initial investment, yes, it can be quite pricey at the start of you getting it, but then you get the aftermath, you get the return in investment, and they pay for themselves in 5 to 10 years. Number 4, adjust your habits. Yeah. Sometimes the easiest way to save money or to save energy is by changing our daily habits. Yes. You can choose to air dry your laundry instead of using a dryer, which can save up to 50% of your annual electricity or energy consumption. Yes, actually, in Spain, the houses do not actually even have a dryer, but we normally air dry our clothes, which is actually reasonable. Okay, so unplug devices and chargers when not in use. Standby accounts for about 10% of electricity use. And use a smart thermostat to heat or cool only when necessary and avoid overheating or overcooling rooms. Yes. So because it depends on the electricity company you are using, because I, for one, were actually using electricity company in my former apartment that, in fact, the end of the month scares us because it was so pricey, guys. So we have to choose the best electricity company and then adjust our lifestyle to it. Lowering your heating by 1 degree Celsius can actually reduce your electricity bills by 7%. And number 5, take advantage of off-peak tariffs. Yes, many Spanish utility companies offer time of use pricing, which cheaper rates during off-peak hours. Yes, so plan energy-intensive tasks like running the washing machine, dishwasher, or charging your electric vehicle during these times to save money. Because someone like me is best to watch close in the night their off-peak time, or maybe during public holidays, or during seasons whereby maybe there's a promotion or something, electricity tends to be more lower during this time. So using energy during off-peak hours could actually lower your cost by 30% or more. Yes. And then when you are not going to be at home, or when you are not going to use the electricity, it's best to turn it off for safety reasons and for reducing your energy consumption. So finally, reducing your energy consumption in your Spanish home doesn't just save you money. It helps also to protect the planet. Yes, we have to protect the planet because this is the only one we've got. We saw how the flood came and took away tons of people, and lots of people's life were lost. So whether it's upgrading your appliances, installing solar panels, or even simply unplugging devices when not in use, every small step makes a difference. So which one are you going to stand for? Are you going to save energy, save money, and save the planet? Or are you going to just fizzle out and just allow things to go on the boo? Yeah, left for you. So this is what I call it today, a day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.